Okay, here we are. I'm here at the Star with a small squad. We're trying to reinforce radio tower, watchtower here on the map. We run into some serious resistance. We all get split up. I end up dropping down into this ravine, coming around the backside of watchtower, getting the surprise on them, and then turns out I'm the only guy that makes it through down and meets up with another squad down at radio tower. Let's jump in and see what happens. Just rolling through, boys. Dan, coming in. Dan. Dan, coming in. I just cleared watchtower and they're 2 weeks deep. It's fucking awesome.
If someone's getting one of those patches, I'm not making it easy.
That was fucking cool. Totally got the slip on.
Well, it's just tough to round up a few of us for PLA, but this is all we got here.
We have to secure.
Okay. What do you want to do?
Andrew's call was to move a few of us to PLA.
I can do it.
PLA's insane. It's like right next to their base. They must have tons there.
PLA's not that way. The base is that way.
Yeah.
No. No, what we need, like I said, 1 or 2 guys. If I go down with him, I need 1, 2 guys ahead, not